Welcome to Sister Fefe Channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, it's Sister Fefe. Thank you guys for chiming in to my channel today. Today I will be cooking Brussels sprouts with bacon and cheese. Guys, it is amazing and I am excited about sharing this dish with you guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button, guys, and keep continuing to come back and see what your girl's up to. So let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome to Sister Fefe Channel. Today I will be cooking Brussels sprouts with bacon and cheese. Yes guys, the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking this bacon, and once I do that we will start on cooking our Brussels sprouts. We're going to go ahead and turn this on, which is already running, but you want to make sure that it is on bacon, and you want to put your time to be about 30 minutes. That's what I'm going to do it to. And yeah, let's see what's next. Okay guys, I am getting ready to cook my green giant simple steamed broccoli Brussels sprouts. You can cook this in the microwave, but I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna cook mine over the stove, and it's up to you. You can do it with the microwave, guys, if you want to do it the fast way, or you can do it my way, and that is over the stove. But I like it over the stove because I like to melt my cheese at the same time. Alright guys, we're going to use a half a cup of water to use for steaming. And then we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter. I can't believe it's not butter. We'll do about 2 tablespoons of that. Just let that melt. And it already comes with already pre-seasoned. So you can add a little seasoning if you want to, or you can just, you know, eat it the way that it is. But I'm going to add just a little bit. Some seasoned mate. Y'all know I love seasoned mate. And just, it don't have any salt, once again, in seasoned mate. All natural herbs. Alright, so we're going to let this steam down for about 5 or 10 minutes. And I'll be back. We'll be adding the cheese and the bacon. Okay guys, I have my bacon, and now I'm going to drain all this grease off my bacon, and we will begin to assemble our dish. Now what I'm going to do next is cut up my bacon, and I just take my scissors and I just chop my bacon up. Yep, cut it up little small chunks. Well, yeah, small chunks. And once I chop this up, I'll be back to put this into my Brussels sprouts. Alright guys, we're going to place our bacon onto our Brussels sprouts. So we're just going to mix this together. And we want that juice because we don't want our Brussels sprouts to be dry. So we're going to take and turn this down. We're going to put our cheese over it. And then we're going to, once the cheese is over it, then we're going to cover this. And I use the 4-state cheese. And we'll cover this for a few minutes, about 5 minutes, and it'll be done. Alright guys, I'm going to cut up some tomatoes and cucumbers. I'm going to cut off my tips because I don't use them. And we just cut them. I like to just cut them round circles. And I did wash them. And I just cut these in circles. That's all I'm going to do because they already tender. So just cut those like that. I like to put salt and vinegar on them. Growing up, I actually used to do salt and vinegar. The real, regular salt and vinegar, regular vinegar, black pepper, and that's how I would eat this. But I don't do it like that now. So I like to put salt and vinegar from B-Dub on my vegetables here. And this is my finished product. Here we go. That's what it looked like, guys. Guys, this is the finished product. Here we go. We got some Brussels sprout, cheese, and bacon. So, let's get us a bite. Go ahead and get you some. That's good. It's hot. But it's good. Y'all need to try it out. Real good. Thank you for watching. And make sure you subscribe If you have not become a Fefe squad, I want to say blessings and love to you all. Blessings. Thank you for liking and subscribing to Sister Fefe channel. And as I love to say, blessings to you all. Bye. Welcome to Sister Fefe channel, where you are welcome here.